Good morning, everyone. First of all, I am very happy to see that you're all here, at least those who promised to come and made it safely to Morocco. And we welcome to the 5th edition of the Scientific Days of the Association of the Southern Urologists. This year it will include especially a workshop on PCNL and RARS, conjointly organized with Moroccan Urological Association and the International Alliance for Urolithiasis, IEU. This event would have never been, or would never have seen the day without the diligent work of our members over the last 6 months, and the active collaboration of the Moroccan Association of Urology and the IEU. The help we get from the authorities, and we are especially grateful to the Foreign Affairs and the ambassadors of His Majesty who speeded the process of granting visa to our guests. A special thanks to the sponsors who believed in us and what we are undertaking in the era of big squeeze. This year, we have an exceptional panel of experts. Introducing each one of them is tantamount of reading an encyclopedia, so I was left with the task of either going too much in details or skipping over crucial part of their outstanding achievement. So for the sake of simplification, I will briefly introduce them, and I will start with three absentees. Unfortunately, Dr. Kemal Sarika could not join for some special reasons. Professor Mohammed Lizraq, who is recovering, unfortunately he was sick over the last days, but he's now recovering. Professor Gohuazang, who will be with us live from China in maybe a half hour, and he will do 2 lectures and perform semi-live surgeries. And present with us we have Dr. Iski Paul and Dr. Vadi Chandra Mohan from India, Dr. Sanjay Kadge from Nepal, Dr. Mehmet Goche from Turkey, and Professor Sven Lam from Germany. It's good to get you all here after a long period of time of imposed separation. Our aim is not to organize sporadic events, but to capitalize on this kind of events as a springboard for the future, to create bonds between our society and associations, to exchange experience and expertise, to train residents and fellows, to build cooperation program within the framework of the IEU. I will take this opportunity to actively call on my fellows Moroccan and African urologists to join the IEU. And I am sure that any breakthrough to come in the future in urolithiasis research and management, it's going to be through this diligent work and hard work of members of the Dynamic Alliance. Dear fellows, we will have 2 full days workshop, including lecture, live surgery, and semi-live surgery. Transmission live from the International Hospital and semi-live from Guangzhou, China. The program is with each one of you, and will earnestly request from speaker to stick to the allotted time. Welcome all to Agadir, and hope you will enjoy the conference and your stay in this beautiful city. But be relaxed, don't be stressed. What we can do, we'll do. What we cannot do, we'll do without. We will be flexible, so enjoy your time, and we will hope that you will spend a very great time with us this year. And without further delay, I will pass on to Dr. Iski Paul for his presentation on PCNL. So it will be the first one.